Nestled within the heart of Istanbul, a city that straddles two continents, we find not only the motifs of rich history, stunning architecture, and thriving culture, but also the captivating presence of its beloved feline residents. Istanbul's cats have seamlessly intertwined themselves into the fabric of daily life, creating a cat symphony that resonates through ancient alleys, capturing the hearts of both locals and visitors. Centuries ago, cats in Istanbul were revered for their invaluable role in controlling the city's rodent population, safeguarding precious manuscripts and textiles stored in the grand bazaar's libraries. Today, these historic connections still echo as cats elegantly lounge on the steps of ancient mosques, surveying the city from the ruins of time-worn buildings, contributing to the timeless atmosphere that defines Istanbul. In contemporary Istanbul, these enchanting cat companions continue to be custodians of the city's cultural heritage. Gracefully weaving through bustling alleys and lounging at historic sites, they've become an integral part of the city's allure, adding to its unique charm and time-honored ambience. Cats are not mere bystanders in Turkish folklore, they are symbols of good luck. Local residents welcome these whiskered wanderers into homes and businesses, pampering them with care and affection. Small dishes of food and water are thoughtfully placed in doorways and shop awnings, ensuring the well-being of Istanbul's feline population and perpetuating the city's cultural superstitions. Engaging with Istanbul's cats offers a unique way to connect with the city's residents. Whether engaging in friendly banter or sharing a quiet moment, locals demonstrate the warmth and inviting nature of Istanbul's people through their interactions with these furry companions. Recognizing the deep bond between Istanbulites and their cat friends, the city has embraced the concept of cat cafes, inviting visitors to enjoy a cup of tea or coffee in the company of these charming residents. Numerous local initiatives and organizations work tirelessly to promote the welfare of stray cats, encouraging adoption and providing essential medical care to those in need. The cats of Istanbul are not mere observers, they are the living, breathing soul of the city. gracefully navigating its labyrinthine streets, perching on ancient landmarks, and interacting with the people who called Istanbul home. These feline ambassadors embody the spirit of a city that seamlessly intertwines its past with the present. Istanbul's delightful cats are not just a charming addition to its cultural identity. They are a living testament to the enduring harmony between humans and animals in this vibrant metropolis.